if you take a 1 hectare wheat crop, on an average day it will lose about 40 tons of water, and all that water goes through the soil, up through the soil, through the plant, and out through these stomata. And the stomata are, if you like to think of them as valves, so the aperture of a stomatal pore can be controlled by the 2 cells that surround it, and these 2 cells are called stomatal guard cells. So really we focus here on understanding the underlying cell biology and cell physiology of how these guard cells work. That's our main interest here. From my own perspective, I started off by reading botany, so I've always been interested in plants, but one of the great things about being in the School of Biological Sciences here in Bristol is that one rubs shoulders on a daily basis with people who study things like bird behaviour. Now I think that's fascinating, and perhaps it's not apparent, but there are many areas which are actually common. There's common skills, there's common underlying interests, and in fact there's common analytical techniques that one uses. So it's a really sort of fertile environment. I think the people who are interested in gaining skills here are probably interested in either going into industry afterwards, or perhaps they're thinking of some sort of research career, and it's important for them to try and, I guess, pick up the skills in the best possible laboratories. So it's exciting, it's vibrant, it's cutting edge stuff. I'm much less of someone who tells people, day 1, do this, day 2, do this. It's much more of a sort of environment where we discuss things, where we discuss ideas, where we discuss the best ways forward, and that leads, I think, to the creation or the generation of an individual who definitely thinks for themselves, can, I think, probably capitalise to the best on their own results and can spot new opportunities. So I'm interested in really encouraging the development of independent thinkers. Tomorrow's, I think, top scientists. Well, that's what I like to think of.